Feeling overwhelmed? Brain fried from constant stress? What if you could hit a reset button in just 1 minute? The secret is all around you, nature. Science shows even a short nature break works wonders. It actually calms activity in your brain's stress center, the amygdala. It slashes your stress hormone, cortisol. Studies show significant drops after nature walks compared to urban ones. Plus, it quiets down the part of your brain linked to those looping negative thoughts and rumination, the subgenual prefrontal cortex. No forest nearby? No problem. Step outside. Find a tree. Look at the sky, or even a houseplant. Just 1 minute. Focus on what you see, hear, and feel. Feel that shift? That's your brain getting a natural upgrade. More calm, better focus, less stress. All thanks to a quick dose of nature. Try this 1-minute nature reset today. Like and subscribe for more science-backed tips.